Hey there, RD here from PROTRADERS Network, and today we have on our charts right now is Ternium on the weekly time frame. Alright, so in short it's TX, so it's a US stock and I think it's listed on the New York Stock Exchange. So a little about the company before we actually move on talking about the charts as well as what's happening related to the price. So it's actually, Ternium is basically a company dealing with steel, ore, and which is the industrial markets are the key for the company as it recovers, and steel prices are actually steadily climbing up. It's a $10 billion steel and iron enterprise that has gained the strongest momentum over its entire history, guys. And it's still trading at 3.51x price to earnings multiple, so it's not that high, right? So steel prices of course will influence Ternium's operations, and the steel segment account for 97.2% of all revenue and 96.79% of all EBITDA in the second quarter 2021. And if steel prices is actually paramount to this particular company's financial health, we need to know what's happening in the steel prices, right? So but recently, you know, if you look at the charts on the steel price, almost one and a half months, even more actually, have passed in the third quarter, and the market situation regarding steel prices remain relevant to this day. Basically, prices are still up and keeping on growing, right? So back to the charts of Ternium. If we actually look back, right, as you can see, we have resistance at around the 45.99, okay, level, and recent resistance at around this zone here around the $42 level has been broken, right? So we can see that the price of Ternium have actually went down, okay, since the highs of April 2018, and we saw it bottoming somewhere in March 2020 last year. But after that, guys, you can see that price decided to actually break above the slanting line, and it is not looking back, right? It even rose above our 200 exponential moving average, and we can see that prices of Ternium continue to add to the upside, right? And we are seeing higher highs and higher lows. So here is a higher. This in comparison to this, basically this is a higher swing low, and then we have another higher swing low, and then we have another higher swing high, and then a higher swing high here. All right, so this is the resistance that actually dated back all the way to 27th of May 2008, but it seems that, you know, there's not much resistance there. It seems that as if it doesn't exist at all. So prices are still continuing to the upside, and where do you think that price is going to go for the next couple of weeks and months? So I've actually drawn this Fibonacci tool here. We take the lows at this point here around the $9.50 level, and we put the $100 mark, the 100% mark at this swing high here, and once it has broken, well, I believe that there's a potential based on technical analysis. The technical picture shows that price of Ternium could actually go towards the $62 mark, right? So right now it's at $55.86. So if it does reach $62, then we have an upside of about 10 to 12%, right? Not too bad. But of course, the best time to buy would have been at these lows, but then the trade has actually set off. But there is still, I think, in my opinion, some upside. And of course, the best, if you could actually be buying it when it retraces slower, that is of course the most ideal situation, right? So but anyway, at this point you can see that Ternium is actually really showing a bullish picture, and it might actually continue to move to the upside as well, in line, in tandem with the prices of steel. So that's my analysis for Ternium today. It's one of the stocks that I have actually decided to actually share with you guys, and I hope that you guys continue to actually view our videos, and of course don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you enjoy our videos, and hopefully I will see you again in our next analysis. Thank you very much, and signing out, RD.